Welcome back. By now you know I really like the Honda CB150X, but you also know I'm not just another 150X fanboy. This bike has its problems, and some of them are really ridiculous. Recently I've made several modifications, and today we're going to talk about one that I should have done immediately after purchasing the bike. It's difficult for me to imagine why any commercially produced motorcycle would be designed without a hazard switch or even a kill switch. But Honda did just exactly that. And for what? To save a few rupiah? Give me a break. Most of their big bikes have it, most of their little bikes have it, their scooters have it. Why not the 150X? So I began by going to the Astra Honda dealer in Denpasar to see if they could change out my starter hazard kill switch with that from the 500X. Unfortunately, the chief mechanic there told me doing so required changing something in the ignition, and that meant that they're doing an electrical modification to the bike, and Honda dealerships are not permitted to do that. They did say it would work, however, you have to really know what you're doing or find a Bencal that knows what they're doing. They gave me an alternative. They said that the starter hazard kill switch from the PCX 150 or the PCX 160 would work on my bike. I talked with the parts department and they said it would take a full month to get it in. So I decided to take a little chance, went home, got on Shopee, found someone who claimed to have a brand new in the package PCX 160 starter hazard kill switch and ordered it. 5 days later, it was on my front porch, all the way from Java. Why can't Honda do that? Now, don't get me wrong, the large Astra Honda dealer in Denpasar, I believe it's pronounced Chokro Minoto. Actually, it's probably not how it's pronounced, but it's something like that. They have a good reputation for doing high quality work. They've done a lot of work on my bike, but they're about an hour away from where I live. So I decided to try to find a local Bencal in the Tabanan area, or Tabanan. I don't know how to pronounce that either, but the first Bencal I went to recommended a second location which specializes in electrical work on motorbikes, and they go by the name of Family Motor. They're located in Tabanan and only about 15 minutes away from where I live, so I chose them to do the work. Now, it cost about 400,000 rupiah to have the work done. However, the work took about 3 hours, and I also had to purchase a new plastic sleeve for the throttle because the original sleeve did not properly match up with the new switch. And I also had them install a couple of additional brake lights at the rear of the bike to improve safety, because the people in Southeast Asia drive crazy, especially in Bali. Now I can more easily kill the engine and park on an incline. It's from Honda, it looks like an original part, and it functions flawlessly. Oh, and the hazard lights work too. So if you have a 150X or you plan to purchase one in the future, I recommend either ordering a PCX 160 starter hazard kill switch from Astra Honda, or carefully choose a seller on Shopee and then choose a competent Bencal in your area to do the installation. It's worth the effort and doesn't cost very much. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Tabanan, I don't know how to pronounce that either. Tabanan.